Welcome guys. So this is the next video of the dishonest seller. For the basics you can refer to the previous video. Uh, in the first 5 minutes I will try to revise some things which would be helpful in solving these questions. So these are the different types of questions and will make your basic understanding a little bit stronger. So whenever as we discussed in the previous video, whenever there is a profit, for example you are buying 1200 grams instead of 1000 grams, so this is cheating and you are profiting yourselves. So always in that case numerator should be greater than denominator, or your answer should be greater than 1. So you have to put 1200 in the numerator and 1000 in the denominator. This is the basic rule. In the case of loss, denominator should be greater than numerator, or you can say numerator is less than denominator. For example, if you take 960 grams at the time of buying instead of 1000 grams, those, so that means seller has cheated you. So this is the loss situation. So what would you do? 960 by 1000. Okay, so that's how you have to do. And if there are more than one condition, in that case you have to just multiply all the things. For example, if there is a profit on something and then you are selling it at discount, and then you are selling it by giving some less quantity, then that means there is a profit. So this ratio into this ratio into this ratio is equal to your final answer. So for example there can be three cases. The answer can be 1, greater than 1. Okay, so answer can be 1, greater than 1, less than 1. And in this case the answer is 1, and in this case the answer let's be 0.9, and in this case the answer let's be 1.1. So this case represent that the final answer is 1. That means you purchase the product at rupees 1 and you are selling it at 1. That means there is no profit and there is no loss. So in all these questions you have to assume that in the final answer that you purchase a product at rupees 1. So if you are getting 1.1 as answer, that means you are getting 0.1 profit on the cost of 1 into 100 would give you final profit percentage, that is 10%. And in this there is 0.1 loss, divide by 1 into 100, that would give 10% loss. That is our basic framework underlying these questions. So let's start with the first question. Let's see what it is all about. A shopkeeper claims that he is selling something at 23 rupees per kg which cost him 25 kg. This is a loss situation because he is selling something lower than his cost price. So at the loss situation we would write 23 by 25. Okay, but he is giving 800 grams instead of 1000 grams. So this is the profit situation. So we would write 1000 by 800, or we can write 10 by 8. So we will try to write in the simpler form, or you can say easy form. What is his percentage profit or loss? This is 5 and this is 4. So if you do 23 into 5, that is 115 divided by 100. So your answer is 1.15. That clearly means there is 15% of profit, positive 15% of profit. So let's see what is next question. Lalit marks up his goods by 40% and gives discount of 10%. Okay, wait. Marks up is good by 40%. This is a profit situation. I would write 14 by 10. 10% discount. If the product is of the price 10, then it is a loss situation. So 9 by 10. Apart from this, he uses faulty balance which reads 1000 gram for 800 gram. This is the profit situation. So I would write 10 by 8. 10 and can cancel. That is 7. This is 5. So 40 by 63. So you have to solve it 63 by 40, or directly you can find the percentage here, that is you this seems that it is greater than 1, so our cost is minus 1 divided by 1 into 100, so 23 by 40 into 100, 57.5 would be the final answer. So the third question is, a dishonest dealer sells product at 10% loss on cost price. So there is 10% loss. So this wala product he is selling at 9. Okay. So 9 by 10. But uses 2 grams instead of 4 gram. There is a profit situation. So 4 by 2. What is his profit loss percentage? So that is 9 by 5, or we have to find the profit percentage, that is 9 by 5 minus 1, that is 4 by 5 into 100, that is 80%. 80% of profit. So let's see what is next question. A dishonest seller, a dealer professes to sell his good at cost price but uses a faulty weight and thus gain 20%. Okay. So the final result is 20% gain. So I will write 1.2 here. For a kilogram he uses a weight of, okay, so there is something this. We know that if he is using faulty weight, then this value must be greater than this value, and the base value would be 1000. No, he is selling less. Okay, my bad. So base is 1000, but he is selling something less. Let's say x. So our answer would be x 1000 by 1.2, or we can say 10,000 by 12 is the final answer. This is the what he is selling, actually giving. Yeah. So let's see the next question. A grocery dealer cheats to the extent to 10% while buying as well as selling. So while buying he is getting 11 instead of 10, so this is a profit situation, and while selling he is giving 9% instead of 10, so this is also a profit situation. What is his increase in the profit percentage? So 10, so we have 11 by 9 minus 1 we will do for the profit percentage, so 2 by 9, 1 by 9 is 11.11, so final answer would be 22.22 percentage of profit. So let's see our next question. A dealer buys apples at 50, 40, 30 per kilogram. Okay, 50, 40, 30. Okay, he mixes them in ratio 2, 4 and 9. Fine. And sells at profit of 30%. And sells at profit of 30%. At what price per kilogram does he sell the dry fruit? There is some discrepancy in the question. We should not focus on this question for the time being, because there is not mentioning of dry fruit and I don't know what the question is trying to say. So let's see this one. A dishonest dealer sells the good at 30% of profit. Okay, 30% profit means 10 वाला गुड वो 13 में बेच रहा है. Okay, so that is 13 by 10. Even if you see from here that we are getting 1.3 minus 1 by 1 into 100, we are getting 30%. So with the practice you would get better understanding of these things and you would do it very fast. So after doing a lot of practice you would write 30% as 13 by 10 directly, because it's a profit situation, but uses only 800 grams in place of 1 kilogram. So that is profit situation, 10 by 8. So our final answer is 5 by 8, 5 by 8 into 100, or you can say 1 by 8 is 12.5. So final answer would be 62.5, I think. Yeah. So thanks for watching this video. If you want any video of any particular concept or any particular topic or any particular type of questions, do comment and I will try to bring those videos, and I will be more regular from now onwards. Thank you.